Namaste, welcome to Haya Fabrics. And yes, this time I'm here to show you the Chanderi suits, and which is very popular indigo suits. Indigo is the color of our nation, and this time I'm going to present our beautiful indigo suits to you. And the first one here I'm showing you all the indigo suits. They come in indigo color only, but the print which they came is slightly different. And these are the very rich and elegant suits. You can see the packed, how they are soft and smooth. Yes, this will be your top. This will be your top, which comes with triangular shape printed with a zari border. Yes, this will be the top, and here this will be your bottom. You can use either of it as top or bottom, it's your choice. But entire the suit will be in indigo color, dark indigo. I mean, there is not dark and light, it seems. Indigo itself is a dark blue. Yeah, this is a top, and here comes the dupatta. Yes, dupatta also in indigo blue color, but the difference here is the pattern in which it came. Yes, this is the dupatta. See, dupatta also comes with a zari border. This is dupatta, and this is a top. Our indigo, our nation, and our blue. See, this will be your beautiful indigo suit, and this is just priced at 2,600 only. The quality is very good, and the comfort it gives is uncomparable. We have many other prints on it. All comes in indigo color only. The second one here is another beautiful indigo suit, which comes in different pattern of printing. You can see the difference between the prints. This is a top which comes with zari border. Bottom also comes with zari border only. This will be the top, and this will be your bottom. You can use either of it as top or either of it as bottom. It's your wish. This will be your dress. And here the dupatta. Dupatta also comes with zari border, two sides. Yes, every dupatta is in the same fashion only. Here it comes the plain, an invisible pattern, and here will be the same as dress pattern. This will be your dupatta. This will be your dress. This will be the dress, and this will be the dupatta. This is a beautiful indigo suit, Chanderi cotton suit. This is also priced at just 2,600 only. Next, here comes the third one. All the suits are same, just the difference here it is the print only. This is small motifs print, small mango motifs seams. This is also comes with zari border on both sides, and the bottom will be same, just a little difference. Yeah, this will be your bottom. You can use either of it as a top or bottom, and this will be your dupatta. Dupatta comes in 2.5 meter length, like the regular dupatta. Yes, dupatta also has two sides zari border. This will be the dupatta, and here comes the dress, top. Beautiful indigo suit, which is just priced at 2,600 only. Next is the third one. Yes, third one here comes in a flower printed pattern with two sides zari border. Yes, this indigo suits comes in a floral print pattern, and your bottom, yes, this will be the bottom. And coming to dupatta, yes, dupatta is same like other dresses, plain in the middle. Yes, this is a beautiful indigo dupatta, and here it is the top. This is also just priced at 2600 only. Grab your favorite one at Have Fabrics only, exclusively at 2600 only. And next, the fifth one is the same as the first one I have shown, triangular shape patterns. This is already I have shown. Next, it is also the same like previous one. Previously I have shown the small motifs, mango motifs print, and this is a little bit larger than that, but this is same like the mango print one. Just here is the difference, is the motifs are just a bit more in size. Next will be the line pattern. Yes, all the prints which they come are really impressive and beautiful. See, this will be your top and this will be your bottom. Dupatta here is same like previous, only the difference is the pattern in which it came. Printed pattern is different. Yes, this will be the dupatta and this is your top. And this suit also priced at 2600 only. All these are pure Chanderi cotton suits, very comfortable and elegant. You can wear it as a party wear, office wear, whatever you like. The one thing all is about the comfortness, and every dress it gives the extra pleasant when you wear it. So that will be okay if you wear it on any occasion. And this comes in a floral print. Yeah, this is the top, you can see, and this will be your bottom, and here is the dupatta. Yes, here is the dupatta. Dupatta two sides is a zari border, top and bottom also included with zari border on two sides. And this beautiful cotton suit also priced at 2600 only. All these dress materials are pure Chanderi cotton and hand printed and natural dyed. There will be a little bit of color losing because of the natural dye they used. That's it. Please grab your favorite one at www.havefabrics.com and see the below links to find these beautiful suits. And thank you. Please watch and subscribe our videos and for next further updates. Thank you.